everyone, welcome back to Ojama Cooking. Thank you for the huge support on the first video and for helping us reach 10 subscribers. I hope you all enjoyed making some delicious omu rice. Today, I'll show you how to make chicken teriyaki don with my favorite toppings: sweet and savory glossy teriyaki chicken, soft nori, marinated beans, and golden Kinshi Tamago. Let's cook together. For this delicious meal, you will need sugar, mirin, Japanese sake, soy sauce, boneless chicken thigh fillets, crushed ginger, dashi powder, 4 eggs, 200 grams frozen baby beans, and some optional garnish and crumbled nori. Now let's make this delicious, juicy, flavorful chicken teriyaki don. We will prepare the chicken teriyaki. Use a fork to poke the chicken about 7 or 8 times. This helps the flavor soak in better. For the chicken marinade, you will need 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sake, also known as Japanese cooking wine. Place the chicken into a bowl, pour the marinade over it, using chopsticks. Move the chicken around, making sure everything is covered. Then leave it for about 10 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, you can prepare the beans and Kinshi Tamago. Next, we will make the Kinshi Tamago. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and beat well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly coat it with oil spray. Pour in about 1/3 or 1/4 of the egg mixture, depending on your pan size. Swirl the pan to spread the mixture evenly and cook until just set and not browned. Flip briefly, then remove and repeat with the remaining mixture. Let the crepes cool, roll them up, and slice into thin strips. Set aside. Now it is time to prepare the beans. Place the frozen beans into boiling water briefly to thaw while keeping them slightly firm. Drain using a colander, then return them to a bowl. Add soy sauce, mirin, and dashi powder. And mix well. Set aside to let the flavors develop. The chicken should now be nicely marinated. Let's move on and cook our teriyaki chicken. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and spray lightly with oil. Add the chicken and cook until browned on both sides. Wipe off any excess oil from the pan. Removing the extra oil helps the sauce stick better and prevents the dish from becoming greasy. For the teriyaki sauce, you will need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of sake. Pour in the teriyaki sauce. When it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low, cover with a lid, and steam for about 4 to 5 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the lid, turn the heat back to medium, and flip the chicken while coating it in the sauce. Keep tossing until the sauce thickens and becomes beautifully glossy. Slice the chicken into strips that are easy to eat and set aside. Now it is time to assemble the donburi. Fill your bowls with steamed rice. Sprinkle a generous layer of crumbled nori over the rice. Arrange the marinated beans and Kinshi Tamago on one side of the bowl. Place the teriyaki chicken on the other side. And using the leftover sauce in the pan, spoon the sauce over the chicken. Finish with your choice of garnishes, such as toasted sesame seeds, sansho, or shichimi pepper. Today, I am finishing mine with sesame seeds and sansho. Your chicken teriyaki don is ready. It looks colorful and tastes amazing, with juicy glossy chicken, soft sweet egg, flavorful beans, and aromatic nori, bringing everything together. It tastes amazing. Everything just works so well together. Now you know how to make my delicious chicken teriyaki don, perfect for a quick meal for yourself or a tasty dinner for the whole family. It might even become a new family favorite. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun cooking videos with Ojama Cooking. See you next time.